Now we are asked to solve limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x cos 2x cos 3x by sine square 2x. So if you do the direct substitution, you see that 1 minus 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. So 0 by 0 form. Again, it is not a very straightforward question. So we have cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. So sine square 2x is very straightforward. If you divide by 2x whole square and multiply by 2x whole square, this term will go to 1. So the critical simplification that you need to do in this question is this term. So you have the basics of trigonometry with you. So let us try to simplify this. Cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x is equal to, so I'll take cos 2x outside. So cos x, cos 3x. So I'll multiply it with 2 and divide this with 2. So what is 2 cos a cos b? So cos 2x by 2 into 2 cos a cos b is cos of a plus b is 4x cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b plus cos of the difference is 2x. So cos 2x by 2 times cos 4x plus cos 2x. So this is equal to half times cos 2x cos 4x plus cos square of 2x. Again, what I'll do is I'll multiply it with 2, I'll multiply it with 2 and again divide the whole expression by 2. That is equal to 1/4 of, again you have something like 2 cos a cos b. So 2 cos a cos b is cos of a plus b is 6x plus cos of a minus b, which is 2x, plus this is 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta. So this can be written as 1 plus cos 4x. So effectively this expression is equal to 1/4 of 1 plus cos 2x plus cos 4x plus cos 6x. So this is the simplification of cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Now let us do 1 minus of this. So the numerator is nothing but 1 minus of 1/4 of 1 plus cos 2x plus cos 4x plus cos 6x, which is equal to, so if you take the LCM, 4 minus 1, which is 3 minus cos 2x minus cos 4x minus cos 6x by 4. So if you simplify it, you can get this 3 can be divided into 1 plus 1 plus 1. And 1 goes to cos 2x, the other one goes to cos 4x, the other one goes to cos 6x. So 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sine square x plus 1 minus cos 4x is 2 sine square 2x plus 1 minus cos 6x is 2 sine square 3x. So this is the final simplification of the numerator. Now let us try to find the limit. Limit x tends to 0. So 2 sine square x plus 2 sine square 2x plus 2 sine square 3x divided by 4 and sine square 2x. So if you divide the numerator and denominator by x square, so you get sine square x by x square goes to 2, sine square 2x by x square. So you have to multiply the denominator and numerator with 4p. So you get 2 into 4, 8, plus you have to multiply numerator and denominator by 9 here. So 2 8s are 18 divided by 4 times. So you have to divide numerator and denominator by 4 in this case. 4. which is equal to 28 divided by 4 into 4, which is equal to 7 by 4 is the answer.